Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a drive up to Virginia City, Nevada. Located at 38 North B Street is the Old Miners Union Hall. To the right of the entrance to the hall is going to be where we'll discover our next historical clamper marker. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the glory of solidarity and fraternity. The glory of solidarity and fraternity. In September 1864, while Atlanta smoldered, the first use of military force to allay labor unrest in the West occurred when Governor J.W. Nye ordered 2 companies of cavalry from Fort Churchill to end a strike by the Story County Miners League. The unions of the Comstock believed they were essential components in a successful industrial economy. The Virginia City Miners Union was a vital part of local society and respected for their efforts to help disabled mine workers, the widow, and the orphan. Dedicated June 30th, 2007, Julius C. Belay Chapter, 1864, E Clampus Vitus.